Are you looking for the best 3D printer to bring your ideas to life? Whether you're a beginner, a professional, or a hobbyist, finding the right 3D printer can be tricky. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers that offer amazing quality, reliability, and performance. In the description, you can find links to the 3D printers mentioned in this video. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max, a large format FDM printer perfect for those who need extra print space. This beast features a 420 by 420 by 480 millimeter build volume, allowing you to print large-scale models or multiple parts at once. With its Klipper firmware, high-speed printing, and AI-assisted bed leveling, it's a great choice for makers who want power and precision at an affordable price. If you're into cosplay, prototyping, or architectural models, this is a solid option. Coming in at number 4, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is a resin 3D printer designed for extreme detail. Equipped with a 14K monochrome LCD screen, it delivers ultra-high resolution, capturing even the tiniest details in your prints. The auto resin refill system and air purification make it user-friendly and mess-free. If you love making miniatures, jewelry, or high-detail prototypes, this is an excellent pick. In third place, we have the Frozen Sonic Mighty Revo, a game-changing resin printer that combines speed and quality. With high-speed printing technology, a massive 10-inch LCD, and a robust build, it's perfect for businesses and serious hobbyists. It also comes with a smart resin pump and an auto bed leveling system, making it one of the most advanced plug-and-play resin printers on the market. At number 2, the QIDI Max 3 is an absolute workhorse for those who need industrial-grade quality. This large-format FDM printer supports a wide range of materials, including carbon fiber, ABS, PETG, and even high-temp filaments. It has an enclosed chamber for stable temperature control, ensuring warp-free prints. Whether you're an engineer, product designer, or small business owner, this is a powerful machine that won't disappoint. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Dremel Digilab 3D45. This award-winning 3D printer is known for its precision, ease of use, and reliability. It's perfect for educators, professionals, and serious makers. The fully enclosed design, heated build plate, and filament detection system make it a hassle-free experience. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of materials, including nylon, eco-ABS, and PETG. If you want a high-quality, plug-and-play experience with professional-grade prints, this is the one. So, there you have it, our top 5 best 3D printers. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!